High-quality power cables start with carefully selected raw materials. Using high-purity copper or aluminum conductors, precisely drawn and stranded to ensure excellent conductivity. Advanced automated extrusion forms multi-layer insulation and sheathing, enhancing heat resistance, waterproofing, and corrosion protection. Strict quality control includes high voltage, withstand, and fire resistance tests to guarantee safety and reliability. Our power cables serve power transmission, industrial equipment, and infrastructure projects, ensuring stable energy delivery. Manufactured with precision, driven by quality, powering the future of global energy.